Alright, welcome back. Now we are going to compile our first code. But before that, let's clear our terminal window. Right clear and press enter. If you remember, the compiler for C++ is called as G++. So if we write G++, as you see that it will display some error. As you remember, it shows an error because we need to provide an input file for this G++. So we are going to write G++ and our input file will be hello.rs.cpp, and let's click enter. So as you see that this compiler generated this a.out file. So let's write ls to see here. So we have two files. This one is C++ file and this one is created by our compiler. So this a.out file is an executable file created by the compiler. Now we can execute this file by this command. We are going to write // and file name a.out and click enter. Great, our program doesn't have any error, so it is successfully compiled. As you see that we received our print message, which is hello.rs. As you already saw that the compiler create a.out executable file, but you can also create an executable file with a specific name. For example, let's say that I want to create the executable whose name is the same as the file name. So our file name is hello.rs. In this case, it will be hello.rs. So how we are going to do that? We simply write G++ compile our file hello.rs, and I'm going to write -o. So here O means that the output executable name, and this name should be hello.rs. But you can write whatever name you want. Okay, let's click enter. It shows an error. So because unfortunately I forgot to write cpp after hello.rs. So let's write this command again. So if you want to write this command again, you can simply just click your up arrow on your keyboard and it will just bring this command here. And let's add C++ here. So hello.rs.c++, and let's click enter. So now as you see that we have two executable names. The first one is a.out and the second one is hello.rs, and if we list it we can see it here. This is our C++ file, and now we have two executable files. But now I'm going to execute this name. So how we are going to do that? Just write // and our executable name, in this case it is hello.rs, and click enter. Okay, as you see that we received our message, so it means that our code or our program is successfully compiled and prints this message. Alright, we already know that how we can compile our code, and the next important thing is to learn how debugger tool works in this Ubuntu system. Okay, let's end this video here and see our debugging tool in the next video. Alright, that's all from my side. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. Bye, see you in the next video.